does connecting scales into the smart factory environment enable productivity and efficiency?
The idea is that, for human powered applications that because of workforce issues, because of, you know, um, even worker safety, to be honest with you, that's a huge thing that we see. And automation specifically can help solve that. But hey, there's tons of data generated on the plant floor, and what we're seeing now is that people and businesses and companies are saying, hey, look, we haven't done anything with this. What if we can use this and connect this right with the power of IT and all the analytics and let's look at machine learning, let's look at AI, all of these things we can use to empower our business to make better decisions about manufacturing